told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch.
Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. आज हो रहा है 18th of January and today is our wedding anniversary. So we are going to a nearby place. तो जहाँ हम लोग जा रहे हैं, that place is very interesting. Since we just came back from Kolkata, तो ज़्यादा दूर travel भी नहीं करना था. So we were thinking to go somewhere जहाँ एक दिन में ही जाके वापस आ सके. One day kind of a trip. So we found this vineyard called Grover Vineyard. बैंगलोर के जो रेसिडेंट्स हैं उनको शायद पता होगा, जिनको पता नहीं है उनके लिए मैं बता देती हूँ. तो बैंगलोर के आउटस्कर्ट्स में देयर आर टू ऑप्शंस. द फर्स्ट वन इज द हेरिटेज वाइनरी. लेकिन हेरिटेज वाइनरी में वाइनरी का जो टूर है वो तो मिलेगा, बट देन देयर इज नो विनियर्ड देयर. तो हम लोग वैसे ही ढूंढ रहे थे कि जहाँ हम लोगों को विनियर्ड भी देखने को मिले. वी कैन एक्चुअली गो इनसाइड द विनियर्ड. सो ग्रोवर इज द प्लेस जहाँ आपको प्रॉपर विनियर्ड का जो टूर है वो भी मिलेगा. यू गेट टू सी द विनियर्ड, यू गेट टू गो इनसाइड द विनियर्ड एंड ऑल्सो दे हैव अ वाइनरी जहाँ आपको प्रॉपर देखने को मिलेगा कि वाइन कैसे प्रिपेयर किया जाता है एंड ग्रेप स्टॉम्पिंग एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स आर आल्सो देयर. सो आई एम एक्चुअली प्रीटी एक्साइटेड. अभी बज रहा है 10 o'clock, तो हम लोग काफ़ी लेट हो चुके हैं. तो यहाँ आने के लिए आपको एक्चुअली पहले से बुकिंग करना होता है, तो वो मैं आपको बाद में बताती जाऊँगी. दे हैव 2 schedules फॉर विनियर्ड टूर. तो एक होता है 10:30 in the morning एंड द अनदर वन इज 12:30. वी बुक द 10:31 बट देन अभी बहुत लेट हो चुके हैं ऑलरेडी. लग नहीं रहा है कि हम लोग टाइम पे पहुँचेंगे, बट जस्ट कीपिंग माई फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड. सो अभी चलते हैं.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my
टूर है, इट्स अबाउट टू गेट स्टार्टेड. So you can visit this place any time of the year, but the ideal time to visit the vineyard would be from January to March, क्योंकि तब वहाँ आपको जो grapes है उनका full form में देखने को मिलेगा and the harvest will be at the peak. So if you plan to visit the vineyard as well and it's a priority for you, then the ideal time for that is Jan to March. Okay, so this is the reception and after reaching here you have to actually pay for your session. पहले से आप पेमेंट नहीं कर सकते हैं, you can only pay after you reach here. And यहाँ आपको जो भी वाइन बॉटल्स दिख रहे हैं, this is basically their collection, तो you can buy if you want from here. So I was very happy seeing the property, and also after checking with the receptionist, I came to know what all activities are planned today in detail. So became very excited about that. And on top of that, there was a clean washroom. So that was an add-on for me. Hey guys, so we have reached here finally, and just see the property. It's such a nice property. तो अभी हमारा tour जो है vineyard का tour, winery का tour, that is going to start. So let's go.
So there is a history behind it, how this started. Hi, good morning to all of you. My name is Karishma and I will be the one who will be hosting you for the tour and of course the tasting, and at the end we'll go for the grape sampling. We'll be tasting 6 wines here. We'll start with the sparkling. Then 2 whites, 1 rosé and 2 reds. We'll have a course of young wines first, and then we'll move to the aged one to see what exactly happens to the wine when you put them in the barrel for the aging. A little bit of history about Growers Zampa. We are the first one to start wine making in India. I'm talking about the premium wine making. Wine tasting, it's all about experience. If you are not getting experience, no point.
Time has been so hard on us, my friend. Sun goes down, but we get back again. Trouble is a silly thing, it always ends up breaking, but everything still works out in the end.
Yeah, okay.
No matter
Fine.
what we call
Good.
it, no matter what we want it, they don't know there's no way they'll ever get it. Wind just blows, but we keep on standing. We'll call it whatever that we want it. Don't you know there's no way they will ever get it? Wind just blows, but we keep on standing, standing. Time has been so hard on us, my friend. But through every night we keep on dancing. Trouble is a silly thing, it always ends up sneaking in. But with you it's like the summer never ends.
Okay, so our wine testing is done, and we tested 6 different kinds of wine, and that was really interesting. And you know, you get a full end-to-end knowledge. पूरा ज्ञान मिल जाता है आपको कि वाइन कितने तरीके का होता है, how do they segregate different kinds of wine, and basically what are the criterias, you know, how they age. मतलब आपका पूरा A to Z knowledge हो जाएगा अगर आप ये सेशन अटेंड करते हो. So this is over now. Now we'll be going for the tour, vineyard tour, जिसके लिए मैं specially बहुत excited हूँ. So I think we'll be seeing the winery, and with that we'll also go to the vineyard. Okay, now that we are waiting for the staff to come and show us the in and around of the vineyard and the winery, आपको मैं थोड़ा ये जो इनका रिसेप्शन एरिया है ये दिखा देती हूँ. सो एट माई बैक व्हाट यू सी, दिस इज़ द एरिया वेयर दे सर्व फूड. तो आप अगर यहाँ आ रहे हो, यू कैन एक्चुअली बुक योर मील हियर. सो फॉर लंच पर पर्सन दे विल चार्ज यू $1000 एंड दे विल गिव यू आई थिंक सम 4-course मील. वी हैव नॉट बुकड इट येट, पता नहीं, देखते हैं. अगर लेट हो जाता है तो वी माइट हैव आवर लंच हियर. एंड अंदर बुफे सर्व होता है, तो वहाँ से आपको खाना लेके आना होगा, एंड यू हैव टू सिट हियर एंड ईट एंड जस्ट सी द सराउंडिंग. इट्स सो नाइस एंड प्रिटी. व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? Are you enjoying?
Enjoying as in?
You have come to this new place, right? जस्ट एक्सप्लोरिंग इन एंड अराउंड बहुत अच्छा लगता है एक्चुअली बैंगलोर के इतने पास में आई मीन इट इज़ सो रीचेबल फ्रॉम बैंगलोर द मेन सिटी हम लोगों को पता ही नहीं था दिस वन इज़ नियर नंदी हिल्स एक्चुअली सो आई लीव ऑल द एड्रेस एंड देयर कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स यू कैन चेक इफ़ यू वांट टू कम हियर So now we have come to the winery and inside videography or photography was not allowed so I could not shoot anything inside इस room के अंदर से जाना होता है but yeah so this is the barrel room thankfully shooting was allowed here तो यहाँ मैंने जो भी कुछ capture किया है I have shared with you. So guys, this is the barrel room and पीछे she is explaining how these are preserved. So this is basically an oak wood barrel जो best होता है in the world for preserving wines and such an unique experience I am having right now. I can't tell you. It was a really good decision to come here.
I hold on to this storm cause I need to be swept away, swept away. I'm cornered in the cold where you left me. Left again, left again. Oh, there's a jungle in my head growing wilder. And it's killing me, killing me. I cannot let you go.
It was already late in the afternoon and that's why we decided to have our lunch there. आसपास बिल्कुल कुछ भी नहीं है so that is the beauty of this place. So we are done for the wine tour and basically lunch भी हो गया है. Now we are heading towards the vineyard.
From your left side.
Left off, right off. One of us left off.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So the vineyard is actually 5 to 10 minutes distance from the winery, and after the winery tour and your lunch, basically they give you the direction in Google Map and you can drive directly there. we have reached the vineyard. The vineyard name is Grover's Jampa Vineyard. See how beautiful and green it is. But I think अगर आप आ रहे हो तो बहुत सुबह अगर आ सकते हो तो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है, लेकिन टूर ख़त्म करते करते बहुत लेट हो जाता है. अभी it's around 2 o'clock, so I guess it's not the best view you get. But nonetheless, we'll anyhow go and see. Specifically grown for wine making. These are very small in size and normally हम लोग household में जो grapes खाते हैं these are not same. तो उसका size बहुत ही बड़ा होता है and as you can see ये बहुत ही छोटे छोटे grapes हैं specifically grown for wine making. Okay, now tell me how was it?
Which was the food?
No, the overall experience.
Experience is good.
Experience is good. Food was not good, I know.
The overall experience is good in a way because this is the first time I've been visiting a vineyard where actually I can see the grapes where this wine comes from.
Yeah. So that's
why
what.
it's a new thing.
Okay, so we are at the end of our vineyard tour and now we are going back to the city. The plan is to go to see a movie now. तो अभी देखते हैं. Maybe we'll go to Phoenix Market City. So nothing is fixed yet. Hey guys, so back at home. Just now we reached. It's around 9 o'clock. तो अभी just change करना है and then we have to order food from outside. Dinner नहीं किया है अभी तक. So before I end this vlog, just wanted to give you few details जो मेरा feedback है about the vineyard and winery. Basically क्या था जो proper tour वो लोग देते हैं and wine tasting, those are very nice. If you are a wine person, then it's definitely a very interesting place for you and you will get to know a lot about wine, how basically wine gets processed from scratch to the end product. So this was just an one day trip जो काफी interesting था. तो that way it was very good and also the property was very beautiful. मतलब आपने already vlog में देख ही लिया होगा. So the only one point that I want to raise here is that the food. So now if you are going, अगर आप वहाँ जा रहे हो तो आपका जो entry fee है वो 1000 rupees per person होता है. तो itself is little high. उसके बाद अगर आप choose करते हो, if you choose to have food there, lunch there, तो उसके लिए भी per person the charges are 1000 rupees. तो 1000 rupees में जो खाना आपको मिलता है, you will get good food. Definitely the quality of the food was good, but the options were very limited and मैंने पहले भी कुछ reviews में ये पढ़ा था कि उनके मेनू में जो रहते हैं उसमें से भी एक दो items वो लोग cut down कर देते हैं and that's a known practice they do. So if you can carry your own food, do that. As I told you, they have two different slots, 10:30 and 12:30 का जो चोर शुरू करने के लिए. तो अगर आप 10:30 का slot भी लेते हो ना, सब कुछ complete करते करते आराम से it will be 1 o'clock. तो उसके बाद सिटी में वापस आके कहीं खाना बहुत ज़्यादा लेट हो जाता है. That's why people choose to have food there. But I don't think it's वैल्यू फॉर मनी, तो इसीलिए अगर हो सकता है इफ यू कैन कैरी देन कैरी योर ओन फूड. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इट वॉज अ वेरी नाइस एक्सपीरियंस एंड आई होप यू एंजॉयड दिस ब्लॉग. अगर आप बैंगलोर में रहते हो एंड एक दिन के लिए आप कहीं घूमने जाना चाहते हो तो यू कैन चूज दिस ऑप्शन एंड आई होप मेरे ब्लॉग देखने के बाद आपको थोड़ा आइडिया मिल गया होगा कैसे जा सकते हो एंड कॉन्टैक्ट्स वगैरह सब कुछ डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में रहेगा. सो यस दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस ब्लॉग. अभी मैं चेंज करूंगी, बाहर से हम लोग कुछ खाना ऑर्डर करेंगे, नेटफ्लिक्स ऑन करेंगे, विल गो बैक ऑन द लेजी वाला मोड है वही अभी होगा. And yeah, that's how my day ends and I hope you like this vlog. If you like it then you know the drill. एक thumbs up कर दो and अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है for any reason please do subscribe क्योंकि बहुत सारे ऐसे interesting vlog आते रहेंगे. And yeah, that's all and I'll see you next time in another interesting vlog. Bye bye till then.